What's up, dude? I must have missed you somewhere.
How are you?
Pretty good, how are you?
Good, how was your day?
Fuck yeah, dude. We got a few minutes left till the storage unit closes. Bus over there. And because I have a bunch of fucking surron parts, you know, like.
Yeah.
I can definitely get you some bars though.
Oh, word, really? Oh, trick, dude.
Magnesiums. Yeah, dude, you gotta have them.
You do?
Do you like these kind of grips?
Yeah, I don't mind them.
I've got these ones that came with one of my throttles, but I'll show you the ones I sell, or I haven't even listed them yet, but these are going on my website. I like these. These are my favorite grips, pillow tops.
The pillow tops are, those are go-to.
You want to try those?
I mean, sure, man.
All the rest of this shit I think is just for surrons. I got the axle blocks. I bought a whole bunch of these in different colors, but I bought these to make push starts, and then you know, this is just a.
Oh, cool.
I'll put it in there.
Nice. Yeah, and just like a push.
Pre-wired, dude. I saw them online, and they were like, the company like stopped selling them or went under or something, and they had them for $80. So I figured I could sell those for $60.
Ridiculous. Oh, thanks, wow. You pretty religious about moving your channel?
That's a fucking sick. What's that? 520 or 428?
428, I think. Oh, sorry.
It sucks, dude. I shouldn't have fucked around back a long time ago, though. You know. There she is. I didn't even look, so I'm just gonna get some before I come home. Alright, dude, let's shred. Well, what is going on here? This guy's loose. Shoot. Yeah, look at that shred. There's probably one behind here, too. That's a little case that the springs are in. Probably just ride today and fix it later. I'm sure it'll be fine till we get back. If there is, we'll find it. There's an electric scooter, kid. Or is that a regular scooter? Damn, that shit's hella. Should go over there. I bet there's trails there. Yeah, baby. Well, here we go, going straight through here. Yeah. Once we get back there, we're like in a fucking straight up safe zone. I'm not sure which way to go. I think I went the wrong way. This place is cute. I guess we look for some gaps, dude.
What?
I guess we look for some gaps. Did you try riding the pump track up at the dirt jumps up there?
Yeah.
It's fucking terrible on these, huh?
Tight.
It's way too small. There's gotta be some little... You gotta get some dubs in there. He might be better the other way. I wonder if that's low enough to step up. Yeah. Woo.
You gotta roll into that pretty good.
Yeah, I know. I've always liked to just casually roll and just hit my throttle on the ramp.
Me too.
Anything that takes more than that, I don't wanna.
I hear you, dude. I mean,
One's the other direction. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Like from there up. There's no lip that way. Try and wheelie that fucker. Next year we'll wheelie that. We'll go around you, don't worry. Go ahead. We're on our way out of here. That's a sweet bike. We follow these trails. Follow these trails.
yeah.
I don't want to feel like we're like bulldogging kids out of the park. We'll come back here with Wyatt and be like, show us the gaps, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. we push these guys? You guys want around?
Where are we going?
Right around the side.
Of course. This is how I got my van to its parking spot. Hell yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, you guys have a good one, man.
How we going? See, the e-bikes do good deeds.
Yeah, dude. We have to protect our reputation. Dang it, dude. I wish this didn't come down. My fucking rock light is on like a huge wire that I had taped all up in here. And now it's just like keeps popping out.
You running golfer hats too?
I was.
Me too, and then I got some other ones in the mail.
Dude, Galfer's great though.
I love them.
I'm thinking there might be a jump here. I think up in here, kind of like weave through some shit here. Oh yeah. Oh baby! Good job, dude.
I don't usually turn like that.
Foot down.
Oh yeah, no problem.
I like to do that like right when I turn my bike on. I don't even warm up. Should we go up in these hills?
Yeah, let's do it.
Look at this. This could be a jump. Oh, that's actually a good jump, dude. We can wax that, dude. I'll try and go straight. Woo! Oh! He's come to like a complete stop.
We're at a church?
Danby! Get down, face down. Jesus Christ, everybody's got their own set of deer here. Hey, buddies. There's actually not even a trail here. Turning the wheelie. Nice big wide turn. Oop, oop. Ah! She's so sick. You want it on 0.5? You want the wide angle?
Yeah.
Sick. I think you can. Yes. Woo! It still look good. Baby, I got a lot of battery. Woo! Oh, shit. Here's a whip your way. Oh. Not as fun as I thought, but if you come right here, dude, you can do a whip your good way. It's actually way smoother down that way. Right, like, see, there's my track straight through here. Yeah. It was comfortable, dude. Oh. All right, let's get to the trail. We've been seen by too many people. They know we're here. Be good to yourself, man. Oh. Oh, dude, this right here is a jump. I'm sure of it. Whoa! Was that a rock? Or did my bike break? Alright. I was like, either something fell off my bike or I hit a rock. Oh, this is a trail too. Oh no, that's a private road actually. Oh shit. That would have been so funny if somebody hit that. Oh, there's some little bumps on this. I like that. Dude, this is tight. Woo! Yeah, that was definitely the best way out. Good call. Is that where we just came from there? Looks like there's another trail down right there too. This is what I did all day at Blue Mountain looking for that huckleberry line. Then I found out it's a different mountain.
Dude, that's,
I just cut different. Every time I saw a trail, I just turned and just keep zigzagging around the whole thing.
dang.
Yeah, I never found any jumps. Found some sweet trails though.
Yeah, it's cool up there.
It's nice, dude. It's hard to tell. Oh, dude, we found it. A jump, buddy. Yeah, if they're hitting that on a mountain bike, they're gonna need some speed. I don't think we'll get from here. Maybe actually, especially since it's just up to flat. We'll check it out. Oh yeah, dude. You can freaking send it on that, dude. We can for sure just mob at that, huh?
What's that?
We can for sure just...
Yeah, that's so subtle.
I mean, I won't hit it in full speed probably because I'm a little bit of a pussy, but...
Unfortunately, my camera died, but Seth was smart enough to bust out the cell phone.
Yeah.